Alright, so I've kind of had an ongoing issue with the window switches on this car. This is a 2014 Dodge Charger, but Dodge used the same window switch in so many different models. But I've got a brand new one here, straight from Amazon. And they're really cheap. Links in the description if you want to purchase one. And for something like this, they're cheap enough to just buy one of these new from Amazon. That you buy a junkyard unit, you're probably going to run into the same issues at some point. This one, all of the switches except for the driver's side window work. This one has a weird contact in it, and sometimes it wants to roll the window down, other times it doesn't. But we look at the new one, and it's only secured in with these little tabs here. Basically just pry up, and it'll eventually come out just like that. Like I got some other bits and pieces in here too. Gotta love these old PD cars, I guess. So grab our old one and the new one. Everything should all be plug and play. Simply just stick it back right here, and I'm gonna turn the car on, at least turn the power on so we can see if everything works. Mirror's working. Passenger works. Both the rear doors work. So I'm happy with that. I'll go ahead and stick it back in. Really easy job. Stay tuned for more videos.